Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a rarity, not only a rose gold case on a Bethune DB28, but this is the Bethune DB28 kind of gold, a 2019 model year limited edition of 10 pieces for the United States market. So only 10 of these in existence. It's a bit more substantial in the hand than a typical Bethune watch, because most Bethune watches are titanium, and this is mostly rose gold. It is 42.6 millimeters in diameter. You can see in profile 11.4 millimeters thick as I measure it. This was the intermediate sized lug when introduced, so the fully extended lug-to-lug span is 55 millimeters. When fully compressed, the patented ergonomic spring-loaded floating lugs, they compress to 51 millimeters, and then we've got a 26 millimeter spacing between the lugs. You can see that the case is monoblock. The bezel and the case all one piece. Everything loads through the case back. Let's start with the movement. So the movement here is a 30 millimeter Bethune in-house twin-barrel manual wind 6-day power reserve caliber 2115, 39 joules with a power reserve indicator on the case back. You can see the mechanism for the indicator is fully revealed, so you can appreciate just how complex it is. Now we have a gold little Soleil style index tracing the 6 days of power reserve. You can see on the back here we have beveling, we have lots of concentric and very tight engine turned perlage, we have satinization, and then we also have a few well chosen polished elements. Taking a look now, this is number 2 of the 10. On the dial side, we've got a screw-down crown. The watch is 30 meters water resistant, though it's not really so you can swim with it. It's because they don't want the crown to interact accidentally with the lug, so the screw-down is used to keep it secure in that regard. Taking a look at the end of the lugs, we have these little bullet tips, the ogival elements as they're called. That's the last styling vestige of the first Bethune product, the DB1 chronograph of 2002, and it has continued on most, though not all, Bethune products since. The watch features a interesting moon phase, which, as you can see, is 1/2 gold and then 1/2 blue. And so the idea here being that 1/2 is going to be blued steel, 1/2 is going to be gold, and it is a spherical moon phase. You can see it's driven off the movement with a little bevel gear right there. And you only need to make one correction using this pusher on the case link every 122 years. So the 122-year moon phase is a perpetual calendar-style moon phase. And this element with the sphere of two metals, hemispheres of gold and steel, that is patented by Bethune. Twin self-adjusting barrels, also patented. Not only do they give you 6 days of power reserve and a nice flat torque curve for consistent timekeeping throughout, but they cannot accidentally be overwound. If you look here, you can see a little stub index, and between those 2 joules, that's actually the dial side power reserve. It'll progress from this station to this station as you wind it. Another patented element, triple parachute shock protection, 1, 2, 3 shock protection springs. It's there to avoid damage, but it also improves chronometry of the watch. Also patented, the blue titanium white gold mass balance wheel. That is the 10th Bethune patented balance, patented in 2016, and the purpose is to reduce the impact of temperature change on timing, reduce the small but measurable impact of aerodynamic drag on the balance's operation, and then also to maximize the percentage of total mass in the balance rim. Now that's patented, but so is the curve of the hairspring. Flat hairsprings are thinner and more shock resistant, so that's desirable, but overcoil hairsprings keep the same time by breathing concentrically in different physical orientations, so gravity is not going to have as much of an effect. Well, if you want the best of both, you use this patented hairspring curve by Bethune. It's flat and shock resistant like a flat hairspring, but the outermost curve is cut off from the flat hairspring, shaped manually at Bethune, and then clamped back on, so it's concentric breathing. It's a 4 Hertz beat rate, so no tricks are played in order to get that 6-day power reserve. And you can see Bethune makes its own dials, movements, cases, even balance wheels. So this is all in-house. Taking a look at some of what you get on the dial side, you've got this incredible fired blue, gold gilded hour track outboard, which is rounded and first mirror polished before it's fired to achieve that blue. That's the same way the bluing is achieved on the titanium lugs. They're grade 5 titanium, and so is this. Then these rose gold dart style applique indices are applied. Once they're applied, they can be read against the polished and skeletonized modified Breguet hands. Notice that the balance bridge with triple parachute shock protection has a taper from the center out and is also continuously rounded and is also fired and is also mirror polished. That's Grubel 4C style decoration there. If you look very closely, you can even see an element that you would expect on the likes of a Grubel or maybe a Voutilanen, which is micro beveling of the teeth of the ratchet wheel right there. And then we've got Côte de Bethune or de Bethune stripes on the barrel bridge, and the reason they're not Côte de Genève is because the wheel that lays them down is reversed at the center, so these stripes mirror each other from side to side. The same is true of the cap on the base plate, which features Côte de Bethune, and then we have a mirror polished cap that splits the two sides down the middle, and it is fired blue as well. You can also see polished screw heads on this side. So in other words, we have an artisanally crafted watch from a company that only makes a few hundred watches a year, and an edition of only 10 pieces that you're unlikely to see again. Reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.